Greetings everyone, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to a creative and eco-friendly method of starting seeds indoors, which involves making use of toilet paper rolls. We will be planting calendula seeds that I personally collected from my calendula plants last year. Let's begin. Calendula seeds are small, curved, and slightly oblong in shape. They are usually dark brown to black in color, sometimes with lighter speckles or markings. Now, let's fill our toilet paper rolls with a good, moistened, and well-draining soil mix. Good potting soil is key to successfully starting your seeds. Choosing the right potting soil is crucial for the health and growth of your seedlings. Look for a high-quality potting mix that's lightweight, well-draining, and rich in nutrients. Make sure to leave some room at the top of the toilet paper rolls when adding the seed starting mix. This will give the seeds the space they need to grow into healthy seedlings by creating the ideal environment for germination. Now it's time to plant our calendula seeds. To increase germination success, place a couple of seeds in each toilet paper roll. Planting multiple seeds ensures that even if some seeds don't germinate, you will still have a good chance of success. Don't worry about overcrowding for now. We can always thin the seedlings later. Take your time to evenly distribute the seeds across the surface of the soil in each toilet paper roll. Aim to place 3 or 5 seeds in each roll. Cover the seeds lightly with more seed starting mix. Next, water gently the seeds using a spray bottle. Be sure not to overwater, as this can cause the seeds to rot. The soil should be moist, but not waterlogged. And that's it. Your toilet paper roll seed starters are ready to be placed in a sunny window or under grow lights. Over the next few days, you will see your calendula seeds sprout and grow into healthy seedlings. Remember to water them regularly and provide them with plenty of sunlight. And there you have it, a simple and sustainable way to start your calendula seeds indoors using toilet paper rolls. In conclusion, you have now learned a straightforward and eco-friendly method to kickstart your calendula seeds indoors by utilizing toilet paper rolls. I trust that the information shared in this video has been beneficial to you and has inspired you to embark on your own gardening journey. Remember, by taking these sustainable steps, you not only nurture your plants but also contribute to a greener environment. Wishing you a fulfilling and joyful gardening experience ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Together, let's cultivate beautiful gardens and sustainable practices. Happy gardening!